the whole landscape is going to look completely different. You're going to see a complete shift in the way this whole industry operates. You got Fidelity with a banking license. You got PayPal applying for a banking license. A lot of these fintechs are going to be offering these services. You got Uphold applying for their ability to sell securities here in the US. There's going to be all these platforms that settle value between, all the different things listed on their platform. You'll be able to trade a security for your crypto. You'll be able to trade a commodity for your crypto. It'll all be interoperable, right? And over the long term, the cool part would be if you could pay for your groceries with your Apple stock and not have to swap it back to dollars. I don't know if the US government's going to let you get away with that. As long as they're able to take a piece of that transaction in taxes and take it in dollars, probably. Because then they don't have to wait till the end of the year for people to be able to reconcile their taxes. They're going to be getting it real time. And then they can use that money to make money. There's not a delay in payment for them either. So there's a big incentive for the US government to move to, tokenized deposits and all this other stuff. I think exchanges could be rolled up in 2026. I see that a lot of investment banks may be buying exchanges, especially when we see Tether collapse. There's going to be a huge devaluation on like Bitfinex for one. They're very closely tied to Tether. And then, OKX, Huobi, there's a bunch of other exchanges out there that I think may have wink, wink, nod deals for roll-ups here in 2026.